3D printing and film and television props. These familiar movie clips often strike a chord with the audience. In addition to the big scenes and stunning special effects, realistic props are really icing on the cake. These props need to be specially customized and are usually used in small amounts, which fit with 3D printing characterized by rapid prototyping of small batch, non-standard parts. Therefore, 3D printing has been developing rapidly in film and television industry, and film effects can be achieved quickly and economically through the props made by this technology. Film and television props make all kinds of design, modeling, and manufacturing services possible through digital technologies including 3D scanning, 3D modeling, and 3D printing. After setting up the prop model, these technologies help film and television production personnel to produce the desired model effect more quickly and economically, and create special props more faithful to the original intention of the original work. The advantages of making props by 3D printing technology are: first, the production process is short, which can save the crew more time. Second, the production process is not complicated. Meanwhile, 3D printed props can also be used as prototype or molds to make props through remote duplicating process. Polish the printed props so that the details are fully reflected. According to the requirements of the script and the original work, different material effects such as metal, flocking, wood grain, and other special effects can be created through painting, mold duplicating, and other processes so as to make the props more realistic and meet the requirements of film and television shooting. In recent years, more and more customized props are used in film and television works, most of which are made by 3D printing technology. Mainly related to props and scenes in film and television industry, 3D printing has been increasingly applied in clothing, accessories, props, and other aspects, with numerous cases at home and abroad. In addition to film and television props, 3D printing has unique advantages in peripheral development and application after the release of film and television or animation. Personalized customization by 3D printing is completely in line with production needs of the film periphery. And 3D printing gives consumers more choice and creativity than the official launch of specific forms of peripheral products, which will become a very important part in the future film and television industry. 3D printing has boosted the dramatic progress of props and special effects in the film and television industry, enabling consumers to enjoy a grand visual feast more intuitively